Best Samsung Galaxy S21 FE wallet cases. Android Central, 2022. While our phones can replace our wallets in many instances with the magic of NFC wireless payments, we still need a wallet for those old-fashioned joints. Without Google Pay and our ID cards, since digital ID isn't widespread yet. In the meantime, let's keep our digital and physical wallets together with these Galaxy S21 FE wallet cases and card slot cases. Defended and durable, VRS designed Glide Pro for Galaxy S21 FE. Staff pick. Okay, this one will add a bit of bulk, but you get steel covers for the sliding tracks, rubber nubs to keep it from sliding around on the tabletop, and the card slot here is deeper than the competition, allowing you to keep 3 to 4 cards inside. $20 at Amazon. Double the space. Cover on leather pouch flip folio. Some people don't like their credit cards with all their little bumpy letters shoved up against the screen, so Cover On added an extra card slot flap that folds into the folio, so your screen only meets a flat, clean surface. $12 at Amazon. All the pretty colors. TUCCH magnetic PU leather folio. If you're gonna carry a folio, the least it can do is sport your favorite shade. You get 9 colorway options here, with some of the lighter shades getting a more two-tone look between the inner lining and the smooth leather exterior and cash card flap. $21 at Amazon. Understated stash. Spigen Slim Armor CS designed for Galaxy S21 FE. I know that card slot enclosure looks big in the renders, but it's quite thin, adding the barest of bumps to your Galaxy S21 FE. You can only fit 2 cards or a single ID and some emergency cash, but that's all most of us need. $19 at Amazon. No clasps required. WAWZ Flip Folio Leather Wallet. This minimal wallet eschews bulky straps or clasps for a magnetic closure that keeps the lid flat to the phone when closed. This means you won't want to overstuff this wallet or the magnets will be too far apart. $11 at Amazon. Undercover carry. Tealibo wallet case for Galaxy S21 FE. Wondering what a heavy-duty case is doing in here? That little kickstand at the bottom is an opening that reveals the card slot inside. Because it's a full sleeve rather than a sliding slot, it can get hard to fish cash out, but cards work perfectly. $16 at Amazon. Folio versus card slot. Which Galaxy S21 FE wallet case is best for you? While some manufacturers have tried to get creative with their wallet designs, we still have 2 main styles: folios that fold over the screen, and card slots that put the cards at the back of the phone. Folios like the Cover On are bigger and bulkier, but they also blow card slot cases out of the water in terms of how much they can carry. Almost all folios also double as kickstands, and the cover can protect your screen when your phone is in your chaos theory proof of a. On the flip side, if you're not putting your phone in a purse, card slot cases are slimmer, easier to hold, and can look like regular cases at first glance. Especially hidden card slots like Tealibo's wallet case. The VRS designed Glide Pro features more robust drop protection than a folio, great edges around the camera, and holds twice as many cards as its competitors. Getting that durability and longevity in a case that you'll hold multiple hours a day, and a card slide that you'll likely be using more than once a day, is critical to ensuring that the case won't give out on you and leave you without a wallet at the worst moment. If these cases don't strike your fancy, there's a big, beautiful world of awesome Galaxy S21 FE cases out there for you to choose from, and for the security-minded among us, we've rounded out a robust rotation of heavy-duty Galaxy S21 cases. We may earn a commission for purchases using our links. Learn more. Cases that go beyond. Dropping the Note 20 Ultra would be a disaster. Protected with a case. Whether you prefer a heavy-duty case or a thin and shiny one that catches the light just right, there's a great Note 20 Ultra case out there for everyone. Here are some of our favorites. Heavy-duty. Give your Galaxy S21 FE the protection it deserves with these rugged cases. Let's face it, real-life isn't kinda smartphones. Protect your Galaxy S21 FE with these ruggedly handsome cases for peace of mind, and to avoid costly repairs and screen replacements. Accessorize with these. Accessorize your Galaxy S21 FE with these awesome add-ons. The Galaxy S21 FE is superb for the price, packing tons of value. You can grab the best Samsung Galaxy S21 FE accessories to get even more usability out of it. Here are some of our top picks.